I'm Debbie with Du-Rite Nursery. My family has started this business back in 1971. Tips that I would have for those homeowners that are coming in would be to know the location in their yard where that tree or shrub is going to be planted. That's really important to know the sun exposure and how wide or how tall that they want that plant to get. Well, some of my favorites, because I have way too many, I will tell you that right off the get-go. If it was a shade area that someone was planting, number one would probably be the flowering dogwood. Number two would be the Japanese maple. And number three would be the tricolored peach. But like I said, I have too many. I could keep going on and on. When it comes to shrubbery, the hydrangea would probably be my number one. It provides flower almost all summer long. It starts around between June and July, depends on Mother Nature, and that blooms clear till the frost.
This tree has actually been a tree that was patented from Fruitland Nursery. Warren Carnifex patented this tree. It's called a Sensation Maple. It's a cross between an 𝙬𝙬𝙬𝙬 and a box elder. He had actually, from the story that I heard, I don't know exactly the whole thing, I heard that he had found a piece of this in one of our mountains, and he started the patent from that. And what's nice about it is of course, it is from Idaho, but it's pretty well does all of our soils here. So you can plant it throughout the whole Treasure Valley, down by the river, or you can have it out by 𝙬𝙬𝙬 or out by Lake Lowell. It doesn't get real huge. It's about a 50 by 30 tree, pretty hardy, and just a nice tree in our opinion.
I feel the most important thing is that tree or shrub needs fertilizer, which that's food. That's what keeps the tree healthy and fights against from diseases. So don't forget to do that every year. Once a year, we recommend using like a granule fertilizer. So that's highly important. And then water is another thing. So in the springs, like when people are starting to fire up their sprinkler systems and all that, I truly believe that those individuals need to go out and inspect your drip and your sprinkler to make sure they're working correctly.